Hello again. Welcome back to our topic related to entrepreneurship and modern brick production. Last time we have gone through the first two episodes. The first one was meant to show you how you can start operating a modern brick business. So the second one was about how you can elaborate a bankable business plan. So today we are going to focus on how you can easily record transaction, especially for the small and medium enterprise. Like I said, our focus today is to be on recording the transaction, or what we call the bookkeeping. So ideally, each company sells, purchase, or any other transaction, it has to be recorded as and have a document containing the amount, date, and other relevant information. In our case, for brick sector, there are four major types of transaction we have here. The first one can be purchase of inputs. The second one can be sales of finished products, administrative expenses, as well as the movement of stock. Normally, all transactions are done using different types of documents. Here, I have tried to list some key documents that are being used. For instance, the receipts, invoice, purchase order, check, payment, voucher, delivery note, and a bank slip. As you can see from this table, so each one of these documents has its own purpose and when this is issued. For instance, the receipts is issued as confirmation of payment. Once the payment has been made to the customer, it's at that time you have to issue the receipt. That's the same, for instance, the invoice. The invoice is also it's done when there is sales of product or goods, and the time you have approved the goods to be delivered, you can now issue the invoice. So there are several tools that can be used to record transaction. But remember, here we are talking about the case of SMEs, because for large companies, they can use the system of the computerized system. But for the SMEs, the focus is on the manual methods. So here I have listed 6 transaction or tools that normally you need to do when you are running an SME company. So for instance, there is a cash book, there is inventory record, there is credit record, there is a debt book, there is a labor book, as well as asset register. For the cash book, it is a document, or it's just a kind of book you can use, which has to have 2 parts. There is the left part and the right part. The left part is where you have to register all cash in, meaning the entry. So it has to record the date you have received the money, the source of money or income, and how much. On the right side is where you have to record the money out. So the date, of course, and what the money was spent on, and how much money. So if you look at this graph, it shows you the cash comes in for supporting the business. So it comes cash out because you are paying all services related to the business. At the end of the day, you may have a net cash, which could also be reinvested into the business. The inventory record records all of physical items that your business has at any time. So you need to record the products or goods you have acquired, and you need also to record the time they were used, as well as the quantity and their value. At the end of the day, you need to record the inventory at the end of the day or at the end of the period, you have fixed yourself. So it's better now to control the record in order to avoid to be short of stock. So the credit book keeps the record of the money the customers have to repay for goods or service purchased on credit. Here we have some cases. You may have sell some of your product, let's say bricks, but the payment, maybe they gave you just an advance payment. So you have to record the period they will pay the remaining money as well as the value of the product you meant to receive. The debt book is somehow opposite to the credit book. It's when you have purchased some, goods from someone, but you didn't pay the full amount. You need also to record that debt because actually it is an obligation you have to pay at some period. So you have also to record the value of the goods you haven't yet paid. The labor book records especially the casual workers who are being working for your company. You have to record also the number of hours that they have worked as well as the salary. At the end of the day, you need to have a situation how much are all these people who have been working on daily basis. At the end, we need also to have what we call the asset register. This is a book used to record valuable items, especially fixed items that are used to facilitate business operations. These are items that are used in business for periods of over 1 year. For instance, it includes some physical materials like furniture, like computers, motor vehicles, bidding machines. So at this table, you need to record the date you have acquired those materials, their names, the cost. You can also decide to give a specific code, but also to specify where are they located, as well as their status. Are they still new or they have been used? So you need to record all these assets for your purpose to know the exact value of your assets. So now we have gone through all these three episodes, and I hope that you have enjoyed this entrepreneurship in modern brick. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.